ki tam balaa mu nopp dëkkaam dafa gis lan la dëkkaam def wala lan la ko dëkkaam mën a defaral wala lan la dëkkaam def pour moom mu am ci kontante so pride boobu noonu moom la ñu wax nation integrity gis nañ ne Gambian politics dëgg bi du dee gaaw a génn ba pare ñu si ëppa dañoo taxaw ak askan bi duñ la wax dëgga so integrity mooy di wax dëgga mooy def lu baax mooy am dignité daal bañ a def lu nga xam ne daal nit ñi duñ la óolu or you're gonna lose credibility so integrity in politics is important transformation dañu bëgg ñu innovate bëgg ñoo borrow white people concepts or develop world concepts ñun suñ maam yi lu bari lañ ñu bàyyee waaw tubaab bi nag bëgg ñu gëm ko oo xam ko because colonialism yaaxana fi lu bari slavery yaaxana fi lu bari jaxase nañ Africa draw nañ map bi in a way bu nga xam ne sax makut sense so history bi dañ koy yaaxa wante soo toogee màgget yi nga toog ak sa maam yi nañ la wax ay aada yu bari ay système yu bari yuñ ko am soo demee Timbuktu tey in Mali you see there's a lot of lost African history waaw so ñun dañu war a tap into suñu roots yi at the same time concepts around the world ñu innovate waaw moo tax ñu ne transformation bu si des mooy equality mooy gis nañ ne in politics yëfi xaaj nit ñi dafa bari and tribalism so loolu lañ bëgg a daaxa moo tax ñu ne unite movement for change waaw so basically lii mooy concept.
Wow, very interesting concept. People are hopeful, I must say, and many youths are also actually behind the Unite movement for change. Okay, lady, okay, don't mind me. I'm super excited today. Important guest. They're on boost bombs, and so if you're a presenter, you know. So that's it. Apart from that, you're so much connected to the youths.
Yeah.
Okay, before I even come to that, still, when you talk about Unite Movement for Change, let me expect.
Well,
let's say coming 2026.
Right.
What are we expecting?
I think people will be surprised how fast movement will no more growing, and the fact that ninyang jël ownership. So toge youth si legi da nga just kula repeat word for word what the movement stands for. Nga gis ne there's ownership. Ninyang jël message bi ñu ko momal sen bopa and ñi ngay initiate. Can you believe the matog receive suitcase of political materials? So kuko indi suma kër ma ne ko lii danga koo jaay na because it had unite badges, unite hats, unite shirts. Mi ne ma déedéet ñun ñooy Turkey chapter bi. And I was like, Turkey chapter? When did that happen? Mi ne ma no ñun youth si ñu nekk Turkey Gambian youth si ñun 80 of us we formed a forum dañ teg ñu donate leen these materials. We had the Turkey chapter for Unite. So boobu ma forum bi I saw there were some 70 something members. Ma ne ko wow, this is amazing. No, so people are taking ownership, taking initiative. And moom tam lu ma wax mooy ne ñun ndaw yi we have a lot of challenges in Turkey. And gis nañ ne Senegalese government taxawal na seen gars yi fii but now they're not harassed. We want the Unite movement tam pour gëstu ndaw yu nekk Turkey. So basically I think it's a symbol of or sign of what is to come. People are taking ownership and the movement is growing very fast. So I think people will be surprised election will be inshallah.
Okay, and we've seen the youth family is so much connected to the youth.
Right.
They participate a lot when it comes to youth activities.
Right.
For one on a little time, it's sort of a boost in a help movement in a way from your own perspective.
Right, so many people say, Talib, you do a lot for the youth, or isn't the youth young last support, or young for youth, and I'm like, but I'm a youth.
You're a youth.
So maybe Kenen mom duko halat, so Kenen nako halat, one man halat. I naturally participate because I see people I have something in common with. Man, I'm 39. So I know what youth's problems are, how they think, what their aspirations are. So naturally, I'm a natural love for youth. Second, my youth nga xamne tay ñi ngi daan sen doole xaruñ kenn ñi ngi jëma defal sen bopa. Gambia is difficult. Dëkk bu ñaaga la, there's not much support. So and most people are vulnerable. So you also nekk youth bu nga xamne tay yaa ngi juddu biir Gambia, whatever region yëpp am youth si they are suffering. You see ne amuloo opportunities and your parents amuñ enough and yow sa janga mutut or am loloy fay sa education, you feel like everything is against you.
Exactly.
And then you give up in two ways. Bena bi nga ne konka munuma am in the right way, harama am in the illegal way. Another option is konka munu dara munda ba Gambia harama gena deka madem back way. And these are all bad options. So man as a youth ku nga xamne tay yalla may na ma tukki na ñew na am na platform, am na background fu nga xamne I don't need anything really. Moy ne I have a responsibility to make sure that all youths are like me or all youths taking it. Wow. So I think that passion Morita naturally Made Boka all youth initiatives, all youth programs, and Suma would halis or my would any grant or my would any support, youth sila de hala. Yan youth la muna dimbale, yan youth la muna support, yan la muna uplift. Bepere dega bi moy tamit. Gambia so wara take youth ño wara take. They are the 60% of the population, ñoy majority. Bepere economy so wara daw, ñuy defar, ñuy nekk ci factory, ñuy nekk ci business, youth rek la muna nekk. Tay amna dëkk yu nga xamne for example ñi ngay joy lutax amuy youths comme Japan. You know Japan is dying because majority nit ñi market la. So Japanese government they're worried about ñi ngi worry ne sen economy bi dafa tass. Parce que ñom duñ dé allow immigration unlike America ak dëkk tubaab bi. Ba paré sen nit ñi nekkuñ di jur doom. So ñuy retire di ut pension mo ëpp ñuy liggéey di fay tax. So youth dafa liggéey fay tax. So that's the difference. It's not age discrimination. Youth more young, more am katan, more be so whole technology. Come America tay. So you say in technology sector, I Facebook, I company you am dole, AI, ag you know yep now like. Because now you know they am that those fresh ideas, this dynamic, you know they am creativity. Wow. So natural love la am for the youth.
And you'd say appreciate them because from the market, you know they do everywhere. So and they want to dig a lot, and we also follow what he's doing as well. One time, actually, way before when I did my first episode, I told MC that, you know what, my wish was to have him first because this man is someone you would say, and he's so much open when it comes to media. He communicates very well. No reason to have. So I'm really excited. I'm going to reiterate on that again, that to have him all the way here on Jobs Media, our studios at Pakadaji. We will also want to say that the Pakadaji, they're having upcoming events. I just need to say that before my party. They're having upcoming events during the festive season, the 27th, 25th, and the 21st. Then I'm live programs fairly at the same grounds. So make sure you get you as well. So Mayo, I know soon interview me later in J, but before that, one message that Jalale for people watching out there. Let's say for example, I'm not going to have to set up movement. The majority have So what would you tell the person that doesn't know?
All right.
Of course. What are you going to tell the person watching?
Well, I tell everybody, do lo ñew join. Movement dafa nek lo mëna jël momal ko sa bop. So the movement is not something we tell people Kyle ngeen join. Lu ñu wax moy ne ken momuko. Ken jitu fa moromam, ken jitewu ko. Jël len ngeen momal ko sen bop. Waaw. So ñun luñ tek motax formuñ party dañu form platform. United Movement for Change ku nga xamne and na ci suñu xalaat moy luma la tuddel nonu bëgg sa réew wax dëgga ini xalaat ci bes ci bir politics baye fi xajalé so andé ci lolu ñoo nga momal ko sa bop ak comme Turkish chapter nu la laajte wuñ ken permission ñom ñoo jël momal ko seen bopa defar seen ay bagage ñoo donate ko waaw so lolu mo nekk day yeah, we have a European chapter, we have a Turkish chapter, we have a US chapter both in Seattle, Atlanta, New York. So it's just growing, Tay ma ngi dégg kenn Dakar mene mom moy representative UMC Dakar man difficult. So it's not something
like UMC is everywhere.
It's everywhere. So what my advice to everybody could dig a message be moy ne come out and take leadership, take ownership. As far as yang base activities on those 4 laws, you're a member of the movement. And once we are registered as a political party, we will initiate a congress and we want everybody, especially women and youths. people ñu dee foog ne ñoom waruñoo bokk politics. We are encouraging them to come out and take leadership and take ownership.